Hey bowling fans, ever wondered how those colorful, shiny 10-pin bowling balls you roll down the lane are made? Today we're taking you inside the factory to uncover the fascinating process behind creating these iconic sports tools. From raw materials to the final polish, it's a journey of engineering, chemistry, and precision. So grab your bowling shoes, hit that subscribe button, and let's roll into it. Bowling balls aren't just round chunks of plastic. They're high-tech pieces of equipment designed for performance. Whether you're a casual bowler or a pro aiming for a 300, the ball's construction affects its hook, speed, and impact. The process starts with raw materials and ends with a ball that's ready to knock down pins. Here's the big picture. It begins with creating a core, which is wrapped in layers of specialized materials, shaped, engraved, and polished to perfection. Each step is carefully controlled to meet strict regulations from the United States Bowling Congress, or USBC. Let's break it down step by step. The heart of every bowling ball is its core. Think of it as the engine that drives how the ball moves. Cores come in different shapes, like symmetrical spheres or asymmetrical designs with funky contours. These shapes influence the ball's spin and hook potential. To make the core, manufacturers mix materials like iron oxide, calcium, and polyester resins. These are poured into precision molds that determine the core's shape. Fun fact, high-performance balls often have complex cores with multiple density zones to fine-tune their behavior on the lane. Once the mixture is in the mold, it's cured, basically hardened at specific temperatures. This can take hours, depending on the core's size and complexity. After curing, the core is removed, inspected, and prepped for the next stage. It's not pretty yet, but this rough lump is the foundation of your future strike machine. This core might weigh anywhere from 8 to 16 pounds depending on the ball's final weight. Lighter balls have smaller cores, while heavier ones pack a denser punch. Next up is the filler material, which surrounds the core and helps balance the ball's weight. This layer is usually made of a less dense polyester or urethane mix. The filler ensures the ball meets the required weight while keeping the core's shape intact. Here's where things get cool. The core is placed in a spherical mold, and the filler material is poured around it. This mold is like a giant clamshell that clamps shut to create the ball's round shape. The filler is injected under pressure to eliminate air bubbles, which could mess with the ball's balance. After another round of curing, the ball starts to look like, well, a ball, but it's still rough and nowhere near ready for the lanes. At this stage, manufacturers also add weight blocks or adjust the filler to tweak the ball's balance. This is critical for pros who need a ball that hooks just right. Now let's talk about the cover stock, the outer layer of the ball that touches the lane. This is what gives bowling balls their grip, durability, and performance. Cover stocks come in different types. Plastic for straight rolling beginner balls, urethane for more hook, and reactive resin for advanced players chasing that wicked curve. The cover stock material is mixed in huge vats with additives like hardeners and color pigments. Ever notice those swirling patterns on pro balls? That's from blending multiple colors during this stage. The ball, now with its core and filler, is placed in another mold. The liquid cover stock is poured over it, encasing the ball in a thin but tough outer shell. This layer is only a few millimeters thick, but makes all the difference in how the ball reacts to lane conditions. After curing, the ball is popped out of the mold, ready for finishing touches. At this point, the ball is round but rough, like a raw stone before it's polished into a gem. The next step is shaping. Automated lathes and sanders smooth the surface to ensure it's perfectly spherical. The USBC has strict rules. A bowling ball must be 8.5 inches in diameter and weigh no more than 16 pounds. Precision is everything. Once it's smooth, the ball gets its markings. This includes the brand logo, serial number, and weight details, which are engraved using laser machines or stamping tools. Some balls also get custom designs like flames or skulls, etched into the cover stock for that extra flair. These engravings aren't just for looks. They're required for official play and help bowlers identify their ball on the rack. We're in the home stretch. The ball now goes through sanding and polishing to achieve its final surface texture. This step is crucial because the surface affects how the ball grips the lane. Smoother, polished balls skid farther before hooking, while rougher, sanded balls grip earlier for aggressive curves. Manufacturers use different grits of sandpaper, anywhere from 500 to 4,000 grit, to dial in the texture. Then, a high-gloss polish or matte finish is applied, depending on the ball's design. Some balls even get a final coat of sealant to protect the cover stock. And just like that, the ball is ready to hit the lanes. But before it leaves the factory, it's tested for weight, balance, and durability to ensure it meets USBC standards. Quality control is the final gatekeeper. Each ball is weighed, measured, and scanned for imperfections. Some factories even roll test balls on simulated lanes to check their performance. If a ball doesn't pass, it's either reworked or scrapped. Once approved, the balls are cleaned, wrapped in protective foam, and packed into boxes with manuals and warranty info. From here, they're shipped to pro shops and bowling alleys worldwide, ready to help you score that perfect game. And there you have it. The incredible journey of how a 10-pin bowling ball is made, from a lump of resin to a lane-ready masterpiece. Next time you're at the alley, you'll appreciate the science and craftsmanship behind every roll. If you enjoyed this deep dive, give us a thumbs up, share this video, and let us know in the comments. What's your favorite bowling ball design? Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more behind-the-scenes looks at how your favorite things are made. Until next time, keep bowling those strikes.